This is by far the most valuable YouTube video I've ever made. The welcome flow is the only flow that generates more revenue than any other automation inside of your Klaviyo account. And most stores, they run it with about 2 emails when they actually need 8. At our agency, we generated over $200 million in email and SMS marketing for over 294 e-commerce brands. And the welcome flow is pretty much the first thing we fix on every single new account we take over. Because when it's broken, you're basically paying for traffic that you don't even convert. Now, here's what I'm gonna do differently than most YouTube videos out there. Everyone just jump straight into the emails. Here's email 1, here's email 2. But the emails are actually the easy part. The most valuable part that no one shows is what happened before you write a single email. I'm talking about understanding your customer, mapping out their behavior, basically figuring out what's gonna make them specifically buy from you. So I'm gonna walk you that first, then we're gonna get into the full 8 email strategy with some examples, of course, and real data from our clients. And at the end, I'm gonna walk you through on how to set up your own welcome series inside of your Klaviyo account. All right, let's jump right in. The welcome flow, where strangers become your customers. These are the results you can expect from setting up all your automation. The welcome flow is definitely an important one. And you can see these are coming in month over month just by setting them up correctly one time. This is your e-commerce store funnel. You have a pop-up at the top, right? It's at the homepage level usually. And once you land on the homepage, you see a pop-up that says, take 10% off, give me your email. You sign up, then the welcome flow trigger, the welcome series, and that's why they're connected, right? So a visitor lands on your homepage, they get a pop-up, they get the welcome series after they finish signing up. Now, there are other flows here, as you can see, other touch points. We're not gonna talk about those today, just the welcome series. But again, we have other videos you can check out later as well. Cool. So how do you know what approach to take? This is what many videos out there don't even talk about. We have 2 approaches that we go about when we create a welcome flow. Aggressive approach, 1 email, always immediately. Email 2 after 1 hour, email 3 after 1 hour, email 4 after 1 hour. So 4 emails, 4 hours back to back. Email 5, 1 day after, email 6 after 1 day. So you can test this just like you see here versus more of a gradual spaced out flow. First email always immediately, then an email after 1 day, then another email, email 3 after 1 to 2 days, 1 to 2 days, 1 to 3 days, and 1 day for the last email. This is the base welcome flow structure as follows. Email 1, welcome to the brand. Email 2, why choose us, how the brand works. Email 4 is reviews or testimonial from real people. Email 5 is a product spotlight. Email 6 is guides, tips, and education. Email 7 is case study. All right. This is the visual representation. Email 8 is a bit different. That's because it's a text-based. So here's the breakdown. Welcome flow, email 1, welcome to the brand. Here actually divided into purpose and content, what this email should do, design approach, and goal. But I also have the actual example. So I want to show you the example. This is exactly how we did it for this brand. Essentially, welcome to brand. Your 20% is waiting for you. Here we have a dynamic block section, a nice picture of a truck because they sell lights for trucks, and of course, shop 20% off button. Simple as that, guys. If they can just look at this section and it has the coupon code, shop 20% off, you're good to go. Okay, typically people see it, they're like, perfect. Shop 20% off, and they go about their day. If they still want to keep scrolling, they can see different categories like LED taillights, new arrivals, right? Other categories. And again, you want to reinforce the call to action. Always in red, always bright, claim your 20% off. And a nice outro, your truck deserves better, shop 20% off. So 3 times the same call to action. There's nothing else. I'm not sending them any other direction, no read blog post, nothing. Shop 20% off. People should buy just from seeing how clear this is. All right. If you want to take it an extra step using the dynamic codes in a video I made, you can actually create a dynamic code that you can embed inside of the email, and it even automatically applies the discount once you click the email. So it's all automated. Check out this video if you want to learn how to do that. Now let's see how this email did. Excellent open rate, guys. 63.1%. A good open rate typically is anything above 20%. So this one did exceptionally well. Click rate, a good click rate is like 2%. This one did 12.5, which is great click rate. And also excellent place order rate, 12.5% over the past 30 days. By the way, guys, pausing the video real quick to let you know that I have drag and drop templates that you can use to build your own templates and emails. You can get them completely for free. Check out the link in the description. All right, back to the video. If they didn't buy with email 1, email 2 will help them basically understand why choose them and not somebody else. So again, a whole section here. Feel free to pause, read it through, but I'll give you just the gist. So why this matter? Customers are often comparing you to competitors. If you don't clearly communicate the value of your brand, you basically risk losing them even before they ever made the decision. Here again, email 2, why recon? The decision, the reason, enjoy 20% off. Again, always reinforce the welcome code. We use a dynamic block right here. It's part of the design. Shop 20% off in a button, a nice truck picture showing the lights that recon sell. And of course, you have the why. 24 years with 2 friends, right? A bit of a storytelling here. Here's our mission. They have all the different pointers of why to choose them. We build lights that outlast, no reselling junk, and also they work tirelessly to ensure, you get what you paid for. Again, call to actions, always 20% off, 20% off. After every section, you want to reinforce. You're convinced? Perfect. Here's the coupon code. You don't have to go up or down right here. Upgrade with 20% off again. Another reason why to shop with them, and again, 20% off. Let's see how this email did. 43.7% open rate. Again, good open rate is 20%. This one did double than that. Great open rate. Click rate, good click rate is 2%. This one really just reached there, and a good place order rate of 0.4%. If they're not convinced with email 2, they'll keep getting your welcome series. Email 3 is how it works. So essentially here again, you can kind of read about it and get a bit more acquainted with email 3. But here we basically want to show them how it works and kill any uncertainty, because uncertainty kills conversion. So if your customer has to guess how it works, maybe it's for me, maybe not, they'll basically less likely to buy from you. So here we want to just explain, right? We want to show them install in minutes, dominate for years, start with 20% off, dynamic coupon code. Here's the code, here's the CTA, to shop. Again, a quick about the brand. Let me show it to you here. It's going to show you better. And then a few steps like how to install. First, you do this. Step 2, you do that. Step 3, this. And if you have questions, step 4, we're here. Call us. Real people will answer you. So let's see how this email did. Great open rate, as always, 42.1%. Great click rate, 2.1%. And excellent place order rate. You can see this flow is generating money. If you're watching this and want all these flows built out by someone that has done this for hundreds of brands and generated over $200 million in collective revenue, just click the first link in the description to book a call with my team. We'll take a look at your setup, show you what's missing, and handle the whole thing for you. All right, now let's keep going. All right, email 4. If they still didn't buy from you, reviews or testimonials. Let other people raving about your product and brand do the job for you, right? Here you want to basically show that people trust your brand, right? People shop with you. Social proof is basically like reviews. Better if you have videos, better if you have like faces. This would really makes people trust you like crazy. Let's see how Recon did it. Basically, experience the Recon difference. Again, always coupon code, claim your 20% off, and here their review section. And you have a full page on their site to see all reviews. So here I have a combination of claim your 20% off and see all reviews. All right, so it's a combination of if you are ready to shop, just shop right here, see all reviews, or shop 20% off. Both cases, they go to your site. All right, let's see how they did. 44.8%, it did even better than the other two. 2.5% click rate and 0.2% place order rate. Welcome flow 5, product spotlight or bestseller. Okay, again, you can read about what makes this email special. Basically, just to give you the gist why this matter, customers often need a clear direction. Like you go into a restaurant, you ask, recommend me, what are your specials? Or what's good? What do people usually order? That's exactly what you want to do right here. You want to basically not overwhelm them with a million option, million categories, but better tell them, this is what people usually buy. This is our bestseller or bestsellers. And basically you want to encourage a quick click, take them to the site, and ba-boom, bada-beam, they can make, their purchase, or at least, click around, and then they get other flows like browse abandonment or abandoned checkout, depending on what they did. So here what we did is light up the night with 20% off, projector highlight right here. Dynamic code is always, there's a block here that says welcome 20, shop here, a bit of a copy, and then again, recon projector highlights, right? So this is exactly how it works. Shop the collection, and again, another call to action, shop 20% off if they're ready. They click it, and it's automatically going to apply the 20% off for them. Really good open rate, 36.9%. Again, 20% is excellent open rate, so this one did even better. Click rate is 2.6%, and also excellent order rate of 0.4%. And again, it's a 30-day analytics screenshot. Welcome Flow email 6, tips and guides and education. Why this matter, guys? Before people buy, they have hesitations naturally, right? They're not sure. Is this going to work for me? Is this not? What you want to do is actually inform your customer, make them feel confident about what they're about to buy. So here, typically for recon, one of their biggest objection is, I'm getting a big piece of light to my house. Is it going to work for me? All right. Here you want to show them or reassure them installation are made easy, guys. All right. Here you want to basically read all the installation guide. Let them kind of read this before they make a purchase. So here's a bit of a copy. Have you ever been like, unsure if this is going to be easy or not? Our installation guides are super easy to install it. DIY like a pro. We provide step-by-step guide, and all the connection are easy, right? They kind of explain clear instruction written by truck people for truck people. And this one did, again, 36.4% open rate, 2.2% click rate, and place order of 2.2%. And again, analytics are done from the past 30 days. Case study, email 7. Again, if they got to this point, they need a bit more pushing, maybe a real story from somebody that was in their position with their problem to kind of explain how your product helps somebody to solve their problem. So here again, just the gist of it. This email leveraged social proof. This is basically one of the best persuasion principles for your email marketing. People trust people, and when they see other people with their problem getting results, it builds this kind of like trust. It makes them feel relieved. I'm in good hands. I can trust this brand. It also lightly introduced FOMO by implying other already benefiting. Don't miss out. Okay. So again, this Super Duty became a recon legend. Again, a quick kind of before and after picture right here. Let me zoom in for you. All right. So you have like the before and after, basically like a quick storytelling in the copy, transform your truck, more community inspo. They have other call to actions. And again, the coupon code is always ready for them if they're ready. Here we change the 20% off language to join the legends. All right. But it still has claim you 20% off here at the bottom. So let's look at the analytics. 39.4% open, 1.1% click rate, and a place order of 0.4. Okay, so great analytics as always, even for further down the line, like a 7th email. It's hard to get that click and open, but we still did it, and that's what matters. Here, this is email 8, last chance, guys. So here, even interested customers sometimes have their delays. Urgency taps, basically want to tap into FOMO, scarcity, and pushing them to make an action or decision before it's too late. So here what we want to do is a different email than all the other emails you just saw. This is a text only or text-based email. Subject line, super direct response, last chance. You're 25% off, ends tonight. So we increase the discount and let them know, hey, this is your last reminder. Your 25% off is about to expire. You're that close to upgrading your truck, and this is your last chance to finish what you started. Just 24 hours. You can still use your exclusive code. Here's the code. After today, it's gone. So complete your order and stay bold, the recon team. Right? Here's a quick extra email that you can also test. This one here comes from the owner, same text only email, but from Todd, is one of the founders. And it seems like the actual owner sent this email, so it really feels personal, and it just kind of like a quick check-in language. Just wanted to check in. I saw that you're checking out things at Recon. I want to see if you have any questions. At Recon, our mission, just a heads up, your code is still active. So if you have any questions, just respond to the email. My team and I are here to help. No pressure, just here if you need. That's it, guys. We went through everything here. Quick tips. You can also combine some of those emails like email 2 and 3, brand mission email together with how it works, reviews with customer story, the product spotlight with educational and tips, right? So you still get the same gist, just condensing emails if you need to. Other emails you can do as other touch points: single benefit focus, feature highlight, how it's made, how to use, trending products, reviews, testimonial. You can pretty much use them and test against other emails. If you don't get good opens or clicks, feel free to swap an email, see if that improves your open clicks and ultimately place order rate. Setting up your flow, guys. This is actually a step-by-step guide that I have on how to set it up. This is actually the trigger, how to set this up. I also have a Loom video instruction in here that will be here available after the video is ready. And that's about it, guys. So non-negotiables you should have for the welcome series. First thing first, guys, you don't need a double opt-in. That's like a two-step process to get somebody inside of your, newsletter list, right? After they sign up, you don't need an extra email. Are you sure? I'm going to show it on the screen right now that you want to be inside of the list. You just want them to go right inside of your list, all right? Unless you live in Europe or somewhere in the world where you do need a double opt-in by law. That's a different story. Or maybe you had like a problem with a bot attack or something like that. If you know what I'm talking about, if you had it, then you should have the double opt-in. But otherwise, don't put any friction and double confirm that you really want to be on somebody's list. Just disable that double opt-in altogether. Second of all, you want to send the first email immediately. I'll show you in a second how it's actually kind of like, how do you want to set up your welcome flow? But the first email, don't put a 5, 10, 15-minute delay. It doesn't do any good for somebody to wait for their coupon code. You want to send that immediately so your new subscriber is not like scrambling through spam or promotions to basically get their welcome code and buy from you. Don't put friction again here as well. Send the first email immediately. You want to build a flow with at least 5. Sometimes you can wing it with 3 to 4, but typically 5 touch points are enough to convert a visitor into a paying customer for the first time. You want to reinforce your welcome offer in every email. I'll show you how to do that. A/B test with at least one plain text email. I'll show you how to do that as well. And also, if you can, test cool countdown timers, kind of like to emphasize the scarcity. 24 hours left or 5 hours left or something along those lines. That's it, guys. Now you have the full welcome flow strategy. Now remember, the welcome flow is the first step in your customer's journey. Once somebody signs up and goes through your welcome flow, they're going to start browsing your site, adding things to cart, maybe start a checkout, maybe not. And you need flows for all those different touch points. So make sure you subscribe to this channel because I'm dropping a full deep dive video on my YouTube channel on every single core flow your e-commerce store needs. And if you need help setting these up for your e-commerce brand, check out the first link in the description. That's it. I'll see you in the next one.